going to be talking about how you can print a file in Excel, even if it has a lot of columns and rows, and it might go outside the print area. I will show you a trick in Excel that can help you to do that. So to get started, I'm going to go to my Excel file, and as you can see here, it has like around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 columns. So if I just wanted to print it with Control P, it will cut in the last column for me. So the first trick to try is just try the landscape, see if it works. In this case, it works because I don't have too many columns. But if you have, let's say, I don't know, 10 or 20 or even more than that for columns, and obviously you will have an issue where you'll have a cut in the border of the page. So to get fixed, or to fix this, even if you want to just have it in a portrait version, not a landscape, very simple to do this. So we just have to go to, you just first have to press the shift and choose your, actually don't need for shift, just go with the mouse and just drag it on to your last column. This way we'll select all your Excel file, and then just go to page layout and then choose print area, and just click set print area. Afterward, just go to file and go print. And if I show print preview right now, as you can see, the ID column is being cut. So all I have to do is I have to go to page setup, then I have to click on the fit to, and for the pages, I'm just gonna put 999, just a random number there, so that even if it's like more than 800 pages, it's still good. And then I'm gonna put it as landscape, or I can even leave it as a portrait and press OK. And as you can see here, it did include the last column for me, but obviously it zoomed out a little bit on the page, but at least you can still have everything under the same page A4 format. Or if you want to make it nicer, I can always choose landscape. But if you have lots of columns, that wouldn't fix it. If you have more than 10 or 20 columns, even the landscape wouldn't help you. So the feature that I showed you with the set print area, and just go to the page setup and click fit to, that will help you to fix the issue when you're printing an Excel file. So that will fix the margin problems. That's all about this video, guys. Hope you like it. Hope it was short and brief and just to the point to show you how to fix this. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Until the next video, wish you a great day. Stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching.